Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Favor, and in today's tutorial I'll be learning how to make an Irish crochet button. So let's get right into it. So this is what the button looks like, alright, and this thread here that is hanging is what you use to attach your button to your work. Alright, for this project we'll be needing a small hook, so anything between 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0 millimeter hook is totally fine. Another thing we'll be needing is a pen or pencil that we'll be using to start the ring for our work. Alright, so let's get into this tutorial. To get started, you want to get your yarn. I'm using 2 strands of a fingering weight yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice. Okay, so once you have your yarn like so, you want to wrap it around your pencil or pen like so. So I'm going to wrap around like about 10 times. Okay, so depending on the thickness you want. So I did this for about 8 to 10 times, and then I removed it from the pencil. So once you have removed it, you want to hold it so that the ring you just formed doesn't unravel. Now you want to place your hook into the hole in between that ring. Now you want to start crocheting. So you want to yarn over and pull through from that hole in the middle. Okay, and then you're going to chain 1 to lock that ring and start working. So we are going to be making single crochets all the way around this ring. Okay, so you chain 1 and then into that ring. Okay, make sure you are putting your hook through that center hole there and not in between the yarn. Okay, so into the hole there you want to insert your hook, and then we'll make a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all loops on your hook. So you just keep inserting your hook through the hole and you'll keep making single crochets all the way around. So into the hole you yarn over, pull through, and pull through all loops on your hook. So we'll just keep making single crochet all the way around until we have covered all the rings. Okay, so you can push them together. Make sure that your single crochets are not separated, that they are close to each other. So you just keep repeating this all the way around until you get to the first place where you started. So towards the end there you see this tail from that ring that we made earlier. So you just want to cut it off so that you have a neater work. If you don't have the tail showing, you don't have any problem. You just keep making single crochets all the way until you get to that very first stitch there. Okay, so yeah, like I said, just keep doing that. And once you're done covering all the rings, the next thing you want to do now is to slip stitch to the top of that very first single crochet that we made there. Okay, so insert your hook there and then slip stitch like so. So after you've made your slip stitch, this is what you should have. And you want to push that single crochet like the way I'm doing, so that it's going to give it that puffy look for our button. So this is what the back looks like. Okay, and we still have that hole in the center there, so we want to cover that up. So you are going to chain 1 and then we are going to keep making single crochet. So into that hole, okay, you place your hook and make a single crochet just like we did for the previous round. Okay, so you are making your single crochet over the previous single crochet. So you insert your hook into the hole in the middle and then you make your single crochet. Okay, so like I said, you can see I made a mistake there. You see 2 single crochets are not joined together. Like I said, try as much as possible to have your single crochets close to each other so that the work beneath is not showing. Okay, so you just keep making single crochets all the way around until you get to your very first stitch. Okay, so that is just what we are going to keep repeating. So after covering all the single crochets from the previous round, you want to slip stitch to the top of that very first single crochet you made for this round. Okay, so you slip stitch to join the round together, and now this is the front. Okay, you can see what it looks like. You want to push the single crochet stitches backwards like so, okay, to get that puffy look. All right, so you push them down, take your time and arrange it very well. So just in case after this round and you notice that that center hole is not yet covered, you want to keep repeating what we did for the previous round all the way around until that center hole is now covered. All right, so after that center hole is covered and you have pushed back your single crochets to get that puffy look, okay, so the next thing now is to pull on that working yarn and then cut in between. Okay, you want to pull a long tail that you can use to sew your button to your work. All right, so this is what our button looks like, and that will be all for this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. You can also check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.